Hi students, we are learning about counting numbers. In the last class we studied the numbers up to 5. So we can start from next number. Okay, all of you have the idea how we will get the next number. Okay, so the 5 flowers are here. Just as a revision we can count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers are there, and if I put one more flower to this 5 and one more, we will get the next number 6. Okay, 5 and one more, we will get next number 6. So how you can write 6? That one also you studied in UKG class. 6 and spelling yes I X. Good. Once again 6 S I X. Then when you play the snake and ladder game, there is one dice, isn't it? So do you notice that there are 6 faces? It has 6 faces and it is an example for cube. Okay. Now I have one cube and it has 6 faces. Phase 1, phase 2, then phase 3, then phase 4, then phase 5 and phase 6. So cube has 6 faces. Okay. Then now we will move to next number. How you will get next number? Yes, by putting one more to 5 we will get, sorry, one more to 6 we will get next number. So here I have 6 flowers and I am putting one more flower. 6 flowers and one more flower, we will get 7. Okay, 6 and one more, you will get 7. Okay, so we can write 7. 7. Spelling louder. Yes, E, V, E, N. Once again, S, E, V, E, N. Okay. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? We all know the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So how many days are there? That's correct. 7 days are there. Then do you ever see the rainbow? Yes. There are also 7 colors. We will say it with Gior. Okay. Then do you know about സപ്തസ്വരങ്ങൾ? അല്ലേ, സംഗീതം പഠിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികൾക്കറിയാം സപ്തസ്വരങ്ങൾ. ഓക്കെ, സ രി ഗ മ പ ധ നി ആൻഡ് സ റിപ്പീറ്റിംഗ്. സോ 7 സപ്തസ്വരങ്ങൾ, 7 സ്വരങ്ങളാണുള്ളത് അല്ലേ. ഓക്കെ, സോ യു ഗോട്ട് ദ ഐഡിയ അബൌട്ട് 7. Now we will move to the next number. How you will get next number? By putting one more or by adding one more. So 7 flowers are here and I am going to put one more flower. Okay, now you will get 8. So we can start from 1. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So we can write 8 as this is 8 and the spelling also you know. So tell me E I G H T. Correct. Once again E I G H T. 8. Okay. Now do you know the insect which has 8 legs? Which is that? Yes, spider. Spider has 8 legs. Then octopus, how many arms it has? Yes, octopus also has 8 arms. Clear? So next we will find out the next number. How you will get next number? Yes, by adding 1 to 8. By adding 1 to 8, we will get 9. Okay, here the group of 8 flowers, and now I am adding one more flower. Okay, so 8 and one more, we will get 9. 8 and one more, we will get 9. Okay, so we can count. Start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Okay, how we will write 9? That one also you know. 9. And spelling louder. N I N E. N I N E 9. Northern states in India, the celebration Navaratri. Did you hear it? Yes, Navaratri means 9-day celebration. So, Nava Malayalam meaning 9. So, Navaratri 9-day celebration. So, okay, 9. We completed 9. Now, today I have one activity for your parents. So, dear parents, as a lockdown entertainment, you have to show Navarasangal. Okay, so show Navarasangal to your wards and enjoy it. Okay, so dear students, നിങ്ങളുടെ പേരൻസ് നവരസങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണിച്ചു തരും, അതായത് 9 ഭാവങ്ങൾ. Okay, then you will get idea about 9. Okay, now we will move to the next number. You know next number is 10. How we will get 10? By adding one more to 9. But it has so many specialities, so we will discuss in detail in the next class. Just write 10 and write the spelling T-E-N. Okay, so next section, drawing section. So all of you open your rough book and start. By 6, we can draw a beautiful flower. How? Yes, 6, join this, then we got a beautiful flower. Okay. Okay. Then by using 7, can any guess? Sorry. 7, first you draw 7. Then join here. Then you will get, we can make 7 as, what is it? Yes, ice cream. Okay. Then by using 8, we can draw an owl. Using 8, we can draw an owl. Look at here, 2 eyes, then ears, then here. So try this one. By using 9, we can make beautiful butterfly. Okay. Here, then by draw like this, then here also, then decorate it by as your own idea. Okay, today one more special item is for you. Did you know any number rhyme? I know an interesting number name. If you are interested, you can join with me. Okay, start. So here some guests are there. 9 Indians are here. So look at, then start. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indians, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indians, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians, 10 little Indian boys. Did you get it? Once again, you sing together with me, okay? 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indians, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indians, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians, 10 little Indian girls. Okay, if you are a boy, you can say boy. If you are a girl, you can say girl. Thank you. Have a nice day.